Hello and welcome to the sixth and final video in the series of baking cultural desserts around the world. My name is Rose and today we will be traveling to Italy to make the popular dessert tiramisu. Tiramisu is a delicious, rich and creamy, coffee-flavored dessert that originated in the Italian city Treviso in the 1960s. The name tiramisu came from the Treviso dialect Tiramisu, which means pick-me-up. As this dessert is favored all over the world, there are many legends and stories about its origin. One of the most famous legends about its origin is the story that says obituaries for the restaurateur Addo Campo. He reported that it was invented at his restaurant Le Bicheret by his wife and pastry chef. Another equally popular legend says that it was concocted by a 19th century Treviso brothel madame, with the sole purpose of solving the problems customers may have had upon return home to their wives. Regardless of how and where it originated, this dessert is loved around the world for its delicious combination of ladyfingers, cream, and coffee. So now that you know a bit about tiramisu, let's make it. First, prepare the cream mixture. Add 4 large egg yolks to a bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Whip these ingredients together using a whisk attachment until it is pale yellow and has tripled in volume. Set this mixture aside in a separate bowl. Next, add a 3/4 cup of heavy cream to the stand mixer, along with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar. Once again, use the whisk attachment to beat this mixture until it forms soft peaks. Now add 1 cup of mascarpone. Continue to beat the cream mixture until it is soft and spreadable. Next, add the egg yolk and sugar mixture and gently fold in until combined. Set the cream filling aside and begin assembling the tiramisu. First, to a shallow bowl, add 1 3/4 cups of espresso, along with 2 tablespoons of rum, if desired. Now set the espresso mixture aside and grab your 8x8 inch baking pan. Next, sift 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder onto the bottom of your pan. Now, quickly dip each ladyfinger into the espresso mixture. Make sure to be fairly quick so they do not fall apart. Transfer it to the bottom of your baking dish and repeat the dipping process with 11 more ladyfingers. Next, spread half of the cream mixture in an even layer. Repeat the dipping process for the remaining 12 ladyfingers and spread the last half of cream over top. Sift the last tablespoon of cocoa powder over the tiramisu in an even layer. Cover the tiramisu with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Once at least 4 hours have passed, remove the tiramisu from the fridge, and if desired, finely shave some bittersweet chocolate over the top. Lastly, slice or scoop your tiramisu and serve.
We just made
tiramisu from Italy. That's all for today. I will link the recipe down below for anyone interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the final video in my culinary journey around the world.